Hello to everyone, my name is Susan and this is my step 1, part 3. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are students. What are the advantages? The advantages are that he can be independent and care for himself, making him a responsible and aware adult. What are the disadvantages? Time management can fail since it's difficult to organize when doing so many activities in the day. And finally, what is my opinion? In my opinion, I believe that all people can achieve. They need to be quiet, organized with the time and schedules, and take things seriously. Without neglecting university and work, I'm currently doing both activities simultaneously. And it has not gone badly for me because I have managed my time, responsibility, and conscientiously. Thank you.